Thank you for joining me today and welcome to 4 Nightingale Drive. I'm Kate Broddick of AgentKate.ca and real estate sales representative with Sutton Team Realty. I'm thrilled to walk you through this stunning multi-level 2-story home that sits on a premium pie-shaped lot with no backyard neighbors. Offering 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a double-car garage, this home has more than enough space for your family to enjoy. So please join me on this video tour of 4 Nightingale Drive and let me know what you think. The front entrance opens up into a spacious hallway with double-door coat closet. The great room is stunning with maple hardwood floors and cathedral ceilings with sightlines to the kitchen and dinette area. Directly off the garage is a 2-piece powder room and main floor laundry. The lower level offers an enormous finished rec room with large windows. This can also be converted into a 5th bedroom that's perfect for extended family members. The kitchen is the heart of the home with upgraded maple cabinetry, 2 large pantries, an oversized center island, and stainless steel appliances. Directly off the kitchen and dining area is a double-door entrance that leads out into your oversized backyard with double-tiered deck and no backyard neighbors. After a long work week, make your way up to the upper level where you can retreat to your master suite. The master bedroom is equipped with a walk-in closet that's large enough to be considered a room on its own. Your master ensuite bathroom is breathtaking with cathedral ceilings and upgraded maple cabinetry. Additionally, on the 2nd level, you will find 3 generous-sized bedrooms with large windows and a well-kept 4-piece bathroom. Thank you for joining me on this video tour of 4 Nightingale Drive. For more information on this property, including price, please contact me at 1-888-991-5283 or visit my website at AgentKate.ca.